Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this spicy barbecue chicken dip. So let's get into it. These are most of the ingredients that you need, if not all. I think I'm missing like one more item. I'm always playing on my camera, but I'm going to season my chicken with this applewood spice right here. I just wanted to give it that smoky flavor in the back. You know, I'm not grilling the chicken. Actually just going to cook it right on the stove top. If you want to air fry it, you can air fry it. I'm now living in an apartment, and honey, an air fryer is not going to work for me. Comment below, how do y'all deal with the air fryer while living in an apartment? Because, but that is not gonna work for me, honey. So, the smell, like, I don't know. And it's so weird because I've been tearing up my air fryer ever since I've had it. If you've been an OG subscriber, you know I tore up my air fryer making these recipes, okay? This is what the chicken looks like. I'm gonna cook it down into some butter. Y'all know I love me some butter, honey. Pretty much you're just gonna cook it on both sides for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it reaches an internal temp of 165 degrees and nice and cooked through. Again, put it in the oven, air fryer, wherever you want. This is how I'm doing it. And so you want to get that nice deep golden color on here. You see how golden and delicious this looks. This is pretty much what you're looking for if you're cooking it the way I am. Nice and golden, crisp around the edges, delicious. Your house should smell amazing and you'll be good to go. Do not put too much salt or salt heavy seasoning on your food, like multiple of them, because you know you want to have balance. You know, we're going to be using cheese in here, all kinds of cheese and all this and the third. It always comes together no matter if you use salt or not, but you can't over salt it. So unlike y'all, I'm not rich. No, let me stop messing with y'all. I am going to use my knife to shred the chicken. You can use your, mixer, how, the trend where they use the mixer now. But I'm using a knife and I got it nice and shredded all the way down. You can also shred it with your hands. That's totally fine. Now you want to make sure you prep and have everything ready to go. So the chicken is cooked and shredded. The scallions are ready to go. Now let's make the cheese mixture. So I have a block of cream cheese. I'm using barbecue sauce, store-bought barbecue sauce. You can make your own. Listen, I ain't doing it no more. I'm taking all the shortcuts, okay? I'm also going to be using this scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce, which is where that heat is coming in from. I did use a lot of it, and I kept adding it until it hit me in the back of the throat, honey. Pause. So, make sure it's to taste, but you could start off with like 3 to 4 tablespoons, and if you want it hotter, you could add some more. Next, I'm going to add my cheese. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box if you want to check that out. I added my scallions, and I'm going to add my chicken down in here. I did add a little, not a little, but like half and half to make sure it was, everything was balanced and enough cheese, enough barbecue sauce, all of that. I did end up using the whole bowl, and it was just good to go. Next, I'm going to go down in here with the Nashville hot chicken seasoning. That also has a kick. I love it so much. I get so sad when they run out because that spice is really, really good. So now I'm just going to mix everything up nice and gingerly. Okay, get the cream cheese, the spices, everything together. And yum. So according to taste and consistency, I wanted more barbecue sauce, and so I added it. Remember, this is your dip, so make sure you taste it. Once you add everything, maybe you want more salt, seasoning, sauce, or anything, so you can just, adjust it to your preference. But again, everything will be in my description box, and you'll have a good lead. After I get it nice and mixed up, I'm gonna add it to my greased pan, and then I'm going to top it with even more cheese. This dip, I'm letting y'all know now, it was addictive. I don't know if it's the kind of barbecue sauce I use, the scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce. I don't know what it is, but this dip right here was seriously addictive. Please be careful. Share it with someone. Don't just have it sitting in your house. You will eat this entire thing. I'm not even joking, not tooting my own horn. It's delicious, like super good. And so then now I'm going to top it with even some more Nashville hot. This dip is not super hot or unbearably hot. That's nothing like that at all whatsoever. But it does have a kick. I'm going to drizzle on some more barbecue sauce on top. Finish it off with more cheddar and the mixed blend cheese and pop it in my oven. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so this is what the dip looks like once it's out the oven, nice and bubbly, golden, delicious, and good to go. And this is the chips that I'll be using. You can use whatever chips you prefer for you. And yes, I'm gonna take a dip and show you guys what it looks like. Y'all, look at this. Look how moist, creamy, cheesy this looks. I hope anybody out there gives this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you give me a thumbs up, you know I love you for sure. If you subscribe, definitely. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. But love you for your support. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.